Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to get more survivors in Whiteout Survival. First things first, open the game and tap on the icon at the top of your screen to access the list of survivors. Then, review your existing shelters to see the current number of survivors you can accommodate. For you to increase survivor capacity, just focus on building and upgrading shelters. Tap on a shelter, and you'll be able to find the option to use materials for upgrades. Upgrade also existing shelters by using available materials. This will unlock additional survivor slots. After that, you want to construct new shelters to further increase survivor capacity. As an example, building a new shelter may grant you 2 additional survivor slots. Lastly, you just want to continue the process of building and upgrading shelters for you to accommodate more survivors. Each upgrade or newly built shelter contributes to expanding your survivor capacity. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.